welcome back to Hannah and Bug. Today we are going to be doing 24 hours handcuffed together, but we're not going to actually do 24 hours.
Joined by me.
Yeah, joined by Wyatt.
Yay.
Alright, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video.
We decided to do daily videos. So.
Yeah, so, alright, let's go.
Too bad the...
Going to go grab the handcuffs now. So now we are handcuffed together. We don't have our actual handcuffs, so we're just going to use a band. Alright, there's Lucinda. Alright, now we're gonna go outside.
We're not just gonna louse on the couch
No, we're not. Alright, this is really hard to record because I usually record with my right hand for some reason.
Yeah, it's like hard to walk. My wrist already has a lot of pressure on it.
Alright, so kind of I'm dragging him right now.
I feel like...
He's wearing no shoes.
I feel like...
You're not wearing...
Wait, I need
No.
I need...
No!
Ow! It gets tighter and tighter the farther away we go from each other. Ow.
Go get shoes on. Okay. Don't like this. For the first time, he's dragging me. He tries sitting on the ground. You should really sit on the couch or the table. Not to sit on the table.
I'm too lazy.
Stop. Alright,
I now have my
on.
socks on. I'm gonna go get my shoes.
Oh my gosh, why am I letting a 9-year-old drag me?
All the way back. Oh no, this is gonna be really hard. Good thing I don't hard shoe.
I regret this challenge so much. Okay, now we're gonna play laser tag.
We can't be any toy dolls.
Gia!
Wait, I found two. Me and Hannah get these ones. Oh, it's gonna be really...
Okay. Let me just prop this up.
Help! Wait. What? Oh no.
Oh, seriously?
Oh no.
Dad?
Okay.
We're just gonna have one arm off.
You want to play with us?
We're just gonna have one arm
Dad, can you help me with
not in our laser tag vest.
Okay. Come on.
We're ready.
Hold on, I need to turn this on.
Blue team is ready at least. With red team,
It's loud.
two.
Got some
not
dramatic
yet.
3-year-old here. Is it hard recording?
Oh, not you. I meant you need a real gun.
We're fighting over having
We're finally do a spin.
No, run!
Run! Really hard.
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
This is pain. We should probably use your GoPro.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, no, we're not gonna take that off. My GoPro is still dead.
Go.
Stop! You're not.
No more.
Like,
Okay, so we're gonna go now.
whoa.
Excuse me. I'm dragging him now because he dragged me for like 10 minutes.
Ah! It wasn't 10. It was like 1.
It was like 10.
And now you're dragging me for 5. Hey!
We're gonna go see horses now.
No!
Ah!
Ow!
Ow!
We're not gonna go
Ow.
see horses.
Ow!
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 Ow! Ow! Ethan! Ow!
Fine, but we're not gonna go play video games. We're not going in the house.
I know. Ah. No chickens.
Fine.
No chicken.
Oh my gosh, my wrist is already red. Is that you when you do horses? I don't like horses.
Oh, my wrist is already
If you
red.
try riding a horse today, I'm gonna be so mad.
Oh, I hold it very tight on the horse last night. Now my wrist is red.
Let's go show the garden. Alright.
Hey, Hannah.
Say hi to the YouTube channel.
Happy birthday, Hannah.
It's not my
Together as
birthday.
possible, even though that sounds wrong. Then I know that sounds wrong. But
Voila, big garden. Voila, horses.
that rainbow spinner thing I got Mom for Mother's Day.
Voila, dog,
We
twin.
just set it up without
Flowers?
knowing. Me and my grandma.
Oh, thank you. That went.
How dare you?
Here, I'll take it. Thank you. Oh,
Put
thank
it
you.
in your ear.
I gotta
Put it in your.
Now I look like an elf.
Oh no, Hannah, look at. Oh no, I need to get that off of me. Oh no.
Well, we almost killed Wyatt's wrist.
And
Wyatt might lose this challenge. He feels like he's gonna lose. You gonna lose?
wait, is this last to leave? or-
Yep. If you get out of your handcuffs, then whoever gets out of their handcuffs first loses. Do you want to get out of your handcuffs?
I think this might be a shorter challenge.
Okay. Do you want to get out?
Not right now, but later.
Okay, let's go.
Ah!
I'm gonna make him lose.
Stop pulling!
Ow! We're pulling on each other.
Hey. Ah! No. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Fine, let's go on the swing.
Ow!
My bloodline is so bad right now.
Swing. Let's go on the taller.
No, I don't. I'm not allowed on those.
Oh! You almost made me trip and fall on top of your face. You know what? You know how I said this was going to be a shorter video?
He lost.
Hey, we're doing another video in the afternoon, so
It might not be posted by there, but
it won't be posted by then, but this one will.
probably not.
It's a really short video that we just made.
Probably not. Okay, guys. I hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, like this video.
Let's go start making.
All right. Sorry that the comments won't work, but like I said, my social media will be down in the description below. And yeah, bye, guys.
Hannah?